Hey all, we're now working in Python Basics and we've moved past the overview into common data types. We've got a few challenges here. I'm going to take care of all of them in the same video. The common data types challenges says, what will the following code output? And we're running the type function on -7. And let's actually go ahead and see if we can't actually, let's get a REPL going here. Let me get my screens orientated in a way that works for me. Get logged into this REPL. I actually just started one recently in a previous lesson that's not particularly important. But right, what we want to do is we're going to have to print the type of -7, right? Not seeing any decimal points. This should be an integer. I see what's returned. The class is integer. I can go ahead and select that and see that it's correct. The second challenge asks, what will the following code output? This time we have 7 period, right? Saying that there is some decimal precision, even though this is an even number. And we can see by adding that decimal, that means that we're now going to deal with a float or a floating point number. So I can go ahead and choose that, see that it is the correct answer. And lastly, we're looking for what will the following code output, right? We have 6 minus 3.0. The result of this will be a float because we have arithmetic going on, and float is the more complex of the two data types, so the integers changed to a float. And then we're saying is equal to 3. And anytime, this is a comparison operator, the double equal sign. So this will actually return a Boolean, right? This will return either true or false. In this case, right, let's go ahead and copy this code, put it into our REPL, go ahead and run that REPL, and we can see it is a Boolean, right? A true false data type. I can check that answer and see it's correct. That's it for this challenge, or the challenges on this page. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next lesson about basic arithmetic operators.